In Onshape, sometimes when you have been working on a document for a long time, it can get cluttered with lots of different tabs for your part studios and assemblies and drawings. To organize the different tabs, you can use folders. One way to create folders is by going to the plus sign at the bottom of the screen and then choosing Create Folder. Then you can drag your different tabs into the folders. The other way is by using the tab manager, which is the icon to the left of the plus sign. When I click on that, here I see all my different tabs. You can filter down by part studios and assemblies. Let me turn off part studios and drawings. Let me turn off assemblies. Let me turn all of them off. But again, I've just got way too many tabs, more than I want at this time. So I can create a folder from here. I will right mouse click and then choose Create and Folder. And here I have my new folder, and let me call this one Part Studios. I'm going to drag a bunch of my Part Studios into there. And so now I can just grab the different Part Studios into the folder, and that way it is reducing clutter in my bottom of the screen. So let me do that for a few more objects. Okay, that is good. Let me create another folder, and I'm going to call this one Miscellaneous, and grab a couple of the other objects in there that I currently don't need to deal with. And now that I've done that, my number of tabs is greatly reduced. Let me click on the tab manager in order to close it. And now I can get on with my work in a much more organized fashion.